guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys doing well. Today I have another unicorn bag unboxing for you. I'm saying unicorn because it is another very difficult, very hard to get bag from Louis. If you're interested, keep watching and let's see who can guess what I got. Don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, by the way, where you can see my daily outfits, my new purchases and how I style them. If you're interested, you can come say hello on my Instagram. Alright guys, let's get started. Alright, so I've been at home for about 2 weeks now and I've been doing a lot of online shopping because shopping online is the safest way to shop right now. There are so many amazing sales online right now and my favorite online shopping assistant has been helping me keep up with the great sales and deals. Today's video is kindly sponsored by ShopTagger, so I wanted to quickly talk about ShopTagger. If you're not familiar, I'm sure many of you are already using ShopTagger. This is, by the way, how I also scored this baby. I got a notification that it is back in stock and I was over the moon. So this is how I managed to get another very hard to get bag from Louis Vuitton thanks to ShopTagger. So here is how it works. First, you need to download the ShopTagger browser button. It works both on Safari and Google Chrome. Then you go to your favorite online stores. You can find a list of all online retailers on ShopTagger as well. Then when you find an item that you want to buy, you're interested in, you can go to your ShopTagger by clicking the ShopTagger button. You can save the items to different wish lists and categories so they're easy to find. I have personally split mine into shoes, accessories, clothes and bags because I like everything to be very organized. You'll get push notifications on your phone or email when the item you want is on sale or is back in stock. ShopTagger will also notify you when an item is low in stock. They also have this amazing feature. You can now view coupon codes at checkout. ShopTagger will search the entire internet for the best code to apply and save you the most amount of money when you're purchasing the item. Now is honestly the best time to start saving items to your ShopTagger because there are so many great deals going on at the moment and you can start creating your spring summer wish lists as well. So definitely try it out. If you're not using ShopTagger, I'll leave a link down below so you can download ShopTagger for free. Alright guys, let's get started with the Louis unboxing. Can't wait to show you my new baby. So I think someone commented in one of my last videos that it's weird when I call my bags babies. They're my babies, okay? We have a small box here, so let's see how many of you can guess which bag I got. Look at the beautiful ribbon, it's so pretty. I'll just slide it off the box. Oops. There is a receipt and then we have two little pouches. So first we have this with the strap and then here it is, it's in here, my little baby. Are you guys ready? Da 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 da! So I finally managed to get the mini boîte chapeau. This little cutie was so difficult to find. It was sold out everywhere and I can't believe it's finally mine. Look how adorable, it's so tiny. This is the mini boîte chapeau in the reverse monogram. It also can be used as a belt bag, as you can see. It is so cute. It has a little handle. Look how adorable. And it has a long strap which is adjustable, so I'll put that on later and try it on so you can see how it looks on me. I'll do some mod shots and style it up. Oh my god, honestly this is the cutest little thing I've seen. Look at the cute tag. This is removable as well, but why would you want to remove the tag? It makes the bag, right? It is so nice. So I love this one. It has the black leather bits, which is great because I won't have to worry about color transfer. It is so cute. Let's open it up. I love the gold detail as well. Oh my god, you're so cute. Look at it inside, guys. I think it will fit everything that I need. I don't normally carry a lot of things with me. I only need my cards, my keys, my AirPods, and a mirror, probably a lipstick, which I think will fit. All of it will fit in here. We will do a little test and see what will fit. I'll show you. But I think it is big enough. So let's talk about the sizes. This is the mini boîte chapeau. This also comes in an even smaller size. Yes, I know it is this big. I have seen people wear it as a necklace and it is very overpriced, very unpractical. You can't really fit anything inside. This to me is a really great size because it works as a bag. You can use it as an evening bag. It's so cute and it fits pretty much everything that I need. Then there is the size bigger, which is the boîte chapeau, and it is the hard style, and there is one that's like a softer style and it's even bigger. I'm not a fan of the softer boîte chapeau. I like more structured bags, so I love this size and the one that's size bigger. I have tried both. I think I have clip. I'll try to find that clip and insert it so you can see how both sizes look on me. For reference, I'm about 171 centimeters tall, which is 5'6", so you can see how they both look on me, on my frame. So I wanted to quickly show you another bag and compare them. So this is my Louis Vuitton Petite Malle, and this is the mini boîte chapeau. I wanted to show you them so we can compare sizes. You can see they're pretty much the same width, but the mini is like half the size of the Petite Malle. I also bring another bag for size comparison. This is another new member to the fam. I unboxed this one recently. This is the mini rectangular flap by Chanel, and size comparison again. See? So this is actually pretty similar to the Petite Malle, well, slightly bigger, but just wanted to do size comparison because I know many of you might own this one already. So just to compare both. So the mini boîte chapeau retails for 1,450. It is much cheaper than the boîte chapeau, which is like the size up. That one is much more expensive. I can't remember exactly, but I think it retails for about £3,500. It is very similar price to the Petite Malle. It might have gone up. I haven't checked the price recently, so it might have gone up in price. I have to double check. The mini boîte chapeau was on my 2020 wish list. If you've missed that one, I have a video, my wishlist video. I'll link it up here if you've missed it and if you want to check it out. So another baby ticked off. I'm so happy. Alright guys, I have one more unboxing for you. This just arrived and I really wanted to include it in this unboxing video. It is another very, very special Louis online order. And I haven't unboxed it. I haven't seen what's inside the box. Well, I know what it is, but I haven't seen it. I just quickly opened the cardboard box. So let's unbox it together. Okay, so let's see. You will die when you see this. I guarantee you'll be like, what? I bet no one's expecting to see this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Come on. Oh my god, I can't open it. What's going on? It's stuck. It is actually stuck. Okay, here we go. Alright, it comes in this pouch. Can you guys guess what it is? I'm sure not many people will be able to guess what this is. So let's see. Oh my god, it feels so luxurious. So it comes in this velvet pouch. And this is actual leather. This is leather strap. Oh my god, stop it. Oh my god. No freaking way. This is so cute. Oh my god. Guys, look at this. How adorable. I wanted to try it out. I wanted to order it and see, because I've never seen it in real life. And do you guys remember when I showed you the slippers that I want to buy? Someone commented saying, Maria, have you seen the sleep mask? And I went online to check it out. It was sold out. It was sold out in store. And it eventually came back in stock one day. I was randomly browsing the website and it came back in stock. And here it is. I bought it. So So this sleep mask also comes in pink, but I decided to go for the classic monogram brown one. And this I see as a collector's piece. I'm not sure if I'll use it. I might just use it to take pictures and stuff, but I'm not sure if I'll actually use it to like sleep. I actually struggle falling asleep and I was telling my friend that I ordered the sleep mask and I was joking and I was like saying how I hope this mask will like make me sleep better, and they laughed at me saying, oh, if I had a mask that costs like £700 or whatever, I would not be able to fall asleep. I'll have nightmares. So it has this elastic strap. I'll try it on in a bit. I can't wait to put it on and see, so I'll show you. This is leather. This is silk and it's like monogram. Oh my god, it is so cute and like it feels so luxurious. Even the case it comes in, it is very soft velvet and inside is monogrammed again. Can you guys see, is it showing? It is monogram and it's silk. I still don't have the slippers, but I think they'll be next. But I had to buy this, and the price was, yeah, you'll think I'm crazy, the price was £665 as far as I remember. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think. Do you have any questions? If I've missed anything, ask me in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe at home and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.